And what up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I know, and a lot of people might think I'm crazy, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to cook white rice. Why, you may ask? One, because we're in quarantine, and two, all we've been doing is cooking. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to cook white rice, basically for beginners or people who want to learn how to cook, or whatever. So first, start by getting a pot, rinse it out, and then you're gonna go ahead and add your rice. Now, I don't measure my rice. I pretty much just eyeball it and just go for it. So yeah, you go ahead and you add your rice, and then you are going to rinse it off, rinse all the starch. It's gonna look all grainy. You see that? It's gonna look all grainy and white and all that stuff like that. So I do this about 3 or 4 times before I actually put it on the stove. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that step again. And again. Okay, so now that I finally drained my rice, I am going to go ahead and fill it up with water. Well, not actually fill it up, but you want the water to be right above the rice. So I just eyeball it. I don't do measuring cups or anything like that. It's very, very simple. Once we have added the water, we're going to go ahead and put it on the stove on a medium to high heat. You don't want it really high because then it'll cook too fast and it'll be all extra crunchy and burnt at the bottom and all that good stuff. So just make sure it's on medium to high. And go ahead and add your salt. You're going to add salt for taste. So again, I don't use any type of measuring cups or anything like that. I just eyeball it because I've been doing it for so long. It's like second nature. So just add your top and let it cook. Okay, so after about 10 minutes, you want to check your rice and see if it still has water in it. If it still has water in it, just go ahead and put your top back on and let it cook for about another 10 minutes. Okay, so another 10 minutes has passed, and I'm going to go ahead and check it this time with a fork. Okay, so I've checked it with the fork and it looks pretty good, but it's still a little bit of water. If you look right there in the center, it's still a little bit of water in there. So I'm gonna just keep it on low heat and check it again in 5 minutes. All right, you guys, our rice is now complete. It's fluffy, there's no water, and it's pretty much ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. And also make sure you subscribe. Until next time, bye guys.